When a breakup happens, it feels like your entire world collapses, especially when you're young. Because that relationship wasn't just love. It was your dream, your identity, your whole future. You planned together. You imagined forever together. And suddenly, it's gone, all at once. And what remains is a silence so heavy it almost feels unbearable. You know there are other people in the world, but in that moment, it doesn't matter. It feels like the world is shutting down around you, like the sun has stopped rising, like life has no meaning anymore. And today, with social media, the wound cuts even deeper, because every picture, every post, every notification keeps reminding you they still exist, just not with you. In older times, people healed faster because distance allowed space for the wound to close. But today, we reopen the wound every time we check their profile, every time we see their life moving forward without us. That is why heartbreak feels so much like grief. Because in many ways, losing love is like death, the death of a dream, of a future you thought belonged to you. But here's the truth. Healing doesn't come from pretending you're okay. It doesn't come from drowning in alcohol or distracting yourself with endless scrolling or running into someone else's arms just to silence the loneliness. No, that only stretches the pain further. The only way to heal is to face the storm, to accept the brutal reality that person is gone and they are not coming back. Yes, that acceptance feels like death, but it is not death. It is rebirth. It is the painful beginning of a new version of you. Think about the ones who turned heartbreak and pain into greatness. Oprah Winfrey was fired, rejected, and went through heartbreak. But she turned her pain into a voice that inspires millions. J.K. Rowling sat broken after divorce, depressed, with nothing but a pen and paper. That pain became Harry Potter, and she rebuilt her life stronger than ever. Steve Jobs was humiliated, forced out of the company he built. He lost everything, but he started over, and what he created next shook the entire world. Nelson Mandela lost years of his life behind bars, separated from his family, his freedom taken away. But instead of letting bitterness consume him, he moved forward with forgiveness and strength, and became a symbol of freedom for the whole world. Bethany Hamilton, a young surfer, lost her arm in a shark attack at just 13. Her dream should have been over, but she refused to give up. She came back to the ocean and became a champion again. These people didn't let pain be the end. They used it as the beginning. Listen, I know right now it doesn't feel like you could ever be whole again. You might think you'll never smile, never be happy, never feel anything other than this aching emptiness inside your chest. But here's the secret. What you feel today is the very fuel you need to create the life you want tomorrow. This pain, these tears, this anger, this heartbreak, they all hold a message. A message that says, you deserve more than the way things ended. You deserve more than the lies, the cheating, the disrespect. You deserve more than the ghosting, the breadcrumbing, the constant letdowns. When you pick up that message, when you accept its truth, something inside you shifts. It's like you're clearing out cobwebs from a dusty attic, making room for the sun to stream in. That's when the real work begins. The work of reconstructing yourself, remaking your world, redefining what love means on your own terms. Yes, heartbreak can break you open. It can force you to confront things you've ignored for too long. Your own self-doubt, your codependency, your tendency to fall for the same patterns. It's not always easy to look at those parts of yourself. But when you do, you'll find that within the broken pieces, there's something even stronger trying to emerge. This journey is yours alone. There's no timetable for healing. Some days will be harder than others. Some moments it will feel like you're not getting any better. It's okay to feel that way. Allow yourself to grieve, to cry, to scream into your pillow, but also allow yourself to heal. And that healing starts by accepting the reality of your situation. Yes, it hurts. Yes, it's unfair. But no, It's not hopeless. You are stronger than you think. You are braver than you believe, and you are more loved than you can imagine. Let the pain fuel your growth, not cripple your spirit. Let it push you to become the best version of yourself, not drag you down in despair. Know that this too shall pass. And when it does, you'll look back at this moment and realize it was the turning point in your story. It was the moment you decided to stop hoping for a miracle and start creating one. So if you are hurting right now, please know that you are not alone. Millions of people have walked this path before you and emerged stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Reach out to them, lean on their support, learn from their experience, and when you're ready, write your own story of triumph over heartbreak. Rise above the ashes, my friend, and know that brighter days are ahead. The sun will shine again, the birds will sing, and your laughter will echo through the valleys. Hold on to that vision, nurture it, and let it guide you through the darkness. I believe in you. Even when you don't believe in yourself, I'll be rooting for you from the sidelines. And know that every scar tells a story of survival. Every tear a testament to your strength. Keep going, keep believing, keep growing. And know that you are loved beyond measure. Sending you all my love and strength. Until next time, and know that you are loved beyond measure. Sending you all my love and strength. Until next time, and know that you are loved beyond measure. Sending you all my love and strength. Until next time,